How to install Nvidia drivers in Kali Linux, the easy way. First, open your terminal window and type the following commands. The commands used are in the video description below. This issue commonly occurs after a fresh install. If you're encountering a frozen login screen and cannot proceed, try this fix. Simply press Ctrl, Alt, F1 to open a terminal window. Once there, use the same commands demonstrated here to resolve the issue. Press Y when prompted and wait for the download to complete. This will get your Nvidia 700 series GPU to work and fix the resolution issues you are having. Simply reboot afterwards and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this was helpful.